Hello, hi, and welcome you all to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today we will be seeing how to prepare Kappa Dosa or Kappya polo, that is tapioca dosa. Now, this is a very simple and easy to prepare dish, and you can have this dosa along with any chutney of your choice. This dosa does not require any fermentation and it is an instant dosa. To the ingredients, you need 1 cup raw rice, 1/4 cup parboiled rice, 1 cup tapioca cut into pieces, and 1 cup grated coconut and salt to taste. Wash and soak raw rice for 3 hours, parboiled and raw rice for 3 hours. In the meantime, wash, peel and cut the tapioca into pieces. Grate the coconut and keep separate. Grind together the rice, coconut scrapings and tapioca into a fine paste. Add the required water and salt after grinding to make a dosa batter consistency. No fermentation is required. Heat a dosa tawa over the flame. Smear oil on the tawa and pour 1 ladle full of batter on the tawa. Spread it on the tawa as you do for normal dosa. When one side is roasted, flip over and roast the other side also. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the batter. Your tapioca dosa or Kappya polo or Kappa dosa is ready to be served. Serve hot with any chutney or even you can use tiksani umman of your choice. Do prepare this dosa and let me know in the comment section how it tasted. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.